roofs concept is a very old, it's a very old thing. They begin from the ancient time, from the hanging gardens of the Babylon. That was the ancestor of the green roof. And through the time, we meet many green roofs all over the world. There are many places in Europe where there were many green roofs, as in Germany, in England, Ireland. The house of Shakespeare has a green roof on it. Not very much in Greece and Italy, as I know, but all over Europe there are many green roofs through time. There are many benefits of the green roofs. There are social benefits, environmental, and they are saving energy. They are bioclimatic strategies, green strategies, and they are very good for areas like Mediterranean, where with the change of the climate, and where in the old cities that that have old buildings, green roofs can make the living inside the buildings more comfortable. They make the building with lower temperature in the summer and higher in the winter. And this is from the experiments. This conclusion is from the experiments. In the Agricultural University of Athens, we have done experiments that have to do with the substrate of the green roofs and with the type of the plants. We try to find materials for the substrates that are not heavy, so they are good for the structure of the building, and we try to find plants that are very appropriate to the climatic temperature, all the climate of the Mediterranean. So we have tried to culture native plants, which is the best solution on green roofs, like origanum, salvia, and other species. This is the research focuses on native plants because they are stronger than others, and they are good for the biodiversity. They attract pollinators, bees and other pollinators, and they deal better with the water stress. They have better water use efficiency. We have studied about their anatomical and physiological characteristics, that they change with the water stress and deal good with the dry climate. Native plants are what we deal with in the university in our experiments, and the substrate. We try to make substrates with materials like compost, perlite, and other light ones, not soil, with soilless materials, because soil, when is wet, is heavy. That it's not good for the old buildings in Mediterranean. I think the last decades they try to talk to the people about green roofs, and the researchers have done many experiments on green roofs, but the effort must be more closer to the citizens, to the schools, we must speak to the small children and to the mothers and fathers, and then everyone wants to make a green roof on the house. Because the work that is done in the university is very nice, but people must know this work. Green roof is has many environmental benefits, like it clears the air from the pollution. It makes the temperature lower. It reduces the carbon dioxide. It reduces the phenomenon of urban thermal island and other benefits. I'm positive with the thought that I think that if many projects like this is taking place in Greece, and when people get to know about green roofs, I think the things will get better in this area. It's not years. I think just a few months are enough if the education on citizens gets place tactically. It must be periodical, and they must be very. They must know about they must know about the benefits of green roofs. If you ask me about how much does it cost, they are not expensive. I think that in a building with many houses, all the citizens can put an amount of money and make a nice green roof on the top of the house, and it's not expensive. Not only new houses, because now in Mediterranean area we talk about extensive green roofs. Extensive green roofs use only small plants, not trees or shrubs. And with light substrates, like soilless substrate, it's appropriate for the old buildings. They don't cause any problems. The right type of green roof. If it's a new building, you can make an intensive green roof too. But at the old buildings, you must choose an extensive green roof with shrubs, with little plants, like the aromatic and pharmaceutical species.